Greetings. Today I'm going to talk about how to download pkgs and other software off GitHub. I realize this may not be intuitive for everybody. So today I'm going to focus on 3 pieces of software I use for macOS administration, specifically to update computers in an automated fashion. So erase install is the most common. The workflow you're seeing now is a mistake that a lot of people make. They're trying to find a PKG, they go to this green code button, they click download zip, and they do not get what they're looking for. Here's Nudge, another critical tool if you're trying to nudge users into updating. And then we'll look at Super, which is the third tool. Same thing. People naturally go to the code and click download if they're not familiar with this software. So now let's look at the right way to do this. So we're on our releases page. We can see that in the URL at the top. We can see the version number. We scroll down to the bottom, and I'm going to choose to download the source code as a zip. There's another option there. And then you can click on that smile emoji too and give the author like a thumbs up. I think that's a nice thing to do. Now let's review this workflow with erase install, get our PKGs. So we're going to look at our 45 releases here. We can see that 29.1 is the latest release from 3 weeks ago. And we can see that the .os can now be used along with the -- fetch full installer option. A couple bug fix notes. So always review these things before downloading. You can see another contributor on this open source software, so that's cool. And now we see that PKG that we're going to download. So there's a source code zip. We can click on that. But in this case, we want to get our PKG. I'm going to give this another upvote, and highly recommend folks give this upvotes because it's great software. All right, now let's do Nudge. Last example here. We can see our release notes here. A lot of contributors on this project, over 33 total. We can see our Nudge version number at the top, and this is from February 7th, so it hasn't been updated in a little while. Go ahead and scroll down, and we can see 4 PKGs plus a source code in a zip or a tar.zg file. So just go ahead and download all these one by one. And once you're done downloading this stuff, it should be ready to go into your MDM. I'm using Jamf, but other people might be using other software. In any case, that is all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.